latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Democratic nominee Joe Biden announced Kamala Harris as his running mate. California Senator Kamala Harris, whose mother is a Tamilian, has been picked up as Biden's vice presidential running mate for the 2020 presidential election.
I have the great honor to announce that I have picked Kamala Harris, a fearless fighter for the little guy and one of the country's finest public servants, as my running mate.
Incidentally, Kamala Harris had earlier criticized Joe Biden in the Democratic primaries, but emerged as a vocal supporter of Joe Biden. She has been regarded as a rising figure in Democratic politics for her works. In her first public response to the announcement, Kamala Harris took to social media to thank the Democratic nominee for choosing her as his political partner. Joe Biden can unify the American people because he spent his life fighting for us. And as president, he will build an America that lives up to our idols. I'm honored to join him as our party's nominee for vice president and do what it takes to make him our commander-in-chief. Harris joins Biden in the 2020 race at the time of unprecedented national crisis gripping the country. Business closures and disruptions amid pandemic have caused economic collapse in US. At the same time, agitation has emerged across the country as Americans protest against racism and police brutality. In addition to the announcement, Biden further praised Harris for protecting women and kids from abuse.
Back when Kamala was Attorney General, she worked closely with Beau. I watched as they took on the big banks, lifted up working people, and protected women and kids from abuse. I was proud then and I am proud now to have her as my partner in this campaign.
Meanwhile, former President Barack Obama supported the Democratic nominee for the selection of Kamala Harris as his running mate.
I have known Senator Kamala Harris for a long time. She is more than prepared for the job. She spent her career defending our constitution and fighting for folks who need a fair shake. This is a good day for our country. Now let's go win this thing.
On the other hand, US President Donald Trump called Kamala Harris the most horrible member of the US Senate.
So I was a little surprised that he picked her. I've been watching her for a long time, and I was a little surprised. She was extraordinarily nasty to Kavanaugh, Judge Kavanaugh then, now Justice Kavanaugh. She was nasty to a level that was just a horrible thing, the way she treated now Justice Kavanaugh. And I won't forget that soon. So she did very poorly in the primaries, and now she's chosen, so let's see how that all works out.
Kamala Harris is also the first Indian American to join 2020 election race. Her mother, Shyamala Gopalan, was born in Chennai and immigrated to the US to attend a doctoral program at UC Berkeley. The California senator is a daughter of an Indian-born mother and Jamaican-born father. After earning an undergraduate degree in Harvard University, she became the first district attorney of San Francisco in 2003. Harris had clashed with Biden during the first Democratic debate of the 2020 race, chiding the former senator over his opposition to 1970s buzzing programs. It provided her with a breakout moment which was short-lived as she soon dropped out of the race in December 2019. Harris has always remained as a barrier breaker for much of her political career.